Redneck Muck piece. So today I'm working on this 90 Corvette, C4 Corvette. It needs a new dash pod assembly, I guess the best way to put it. It's all one big unit. It's got the digital speedometer, blah blah, and then it's got a tack and a full set of gauges, but it's all made together. So you don't replace a gauge when you're having trouble with it. You either have to fix the one you're having trouble with, pull it out, fix it, or replace the whole pod. So this was my dad's car, and he's like, hey, he said, if I get a new dash pod, can you replace it? And I'm like, I guess. Not something I've ever done. So we're going to find out. We'll see how it goes. This is a gory. He might help too. Let's get after it. Like most electrical projects, the first thing you should do is disconnect at least one battery post. So I've got this one. This is the negative. That should be super fine. As long as I got the negative hooked up. Can't complete a circuit. Can't melt stuff down. Can't, I hate to say break stuff, but yeah, shouldn't be able to screw stuff up because the battery's hooked up. So anyway, now we get to go inside. Freaking gloves. All right, because I'm fat and hate bending over, I've raised this up so I can get these bottom panels off. I know I've got to lower the steering column, so I got to get to that through here. So that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm just going to start going at that like a wild, rabid lunatic and see if I can get that all apart. And then I'll be able to drop the steering column. So let's see how this goes. adjust your TV cable, you're going to push this button in. You can see that better if I go over here. And then this is already in pretty far, but it's in the middle of this. I don't know if I'll be able to get it to go in any further, but I'll give it a try here. Yeah, it went in. See it sliding in there. There we go. That is all the way in. And then to set it, you just pull this dude to wide open throttle. Now that dude is set where it's supposed to go. Did you hear it go? That's where it's supposed to be. You want to see it again? So you push this dude in, push this dude back, and then you just take it slowly to wide open throttle. TV cable set and adjusted. That is where it's supposed to be. Now let's do the next little thing. This is where the car gets all of its air. See, the air comes in there, through the filter, through there, through the tune port, blah, blah, yada, yada. So, okay, this next part could get me in trouble. We'll see. So, adjusted the TV cable. It looked like it was pretty close, but it might have went a click or two. So, that's good. But anyway, the next thing is this. So, one of the biggest performance modifications that's like free on a C4, this is the air box. This is where it's drawing all its air from. You clip it here, you clip it here, you clip it here, you clip it here, and then you clip all of these guys. And you make that open. So it can get all that air through there. This is not stopping rocks. It's not going to stop anything. Yeah, so just get it out of the way and gain a little power. And it's noticeable. It's a noticeable difference. You know, I don't know what the power gain is, but you feel it. So maybe it's just my mind. Maybe it's not. If you want to try it, try it. I think my dad will appreciate it. He's 81. He needs more power. Let's cut it out. See if this death wheel just explodes.
Down the southern Indiana road, I'll ride. Big mile on the two with my pride, got my dog Reggie by my side. Oh, so tough, redneck mud, driving through the redneck mud. Red cane and paint the grease on my jeans. Chicken fucking donkeys, kicking it's just the same. But it's roots of southern roots, I had enough. Redneck mud, peace, that's my stuff. Redneck mud. Yeah, that's where I'm on, ain't no place like home sweet home. Redneck mud, peace, that's my tune. Rocking down the road with the rebels crew.
That's what the hole I'm talking about. Still warm. Warm. More breathe, more breathe. So there, when Dad looks, it looks completely normal. And then he'll slide over here and he'll be like, holy crap, what happened? But that's okay. I can take the heat because he'll say, why'd you do that? And I'll say, you needed more power. Why wouldn't I do that? I want to get this hood down. It doesn't want to. There we go. All right. So I think that's it. I got the TV cable adjusted. I got the gauges done. Everything seems to work good. Everything seems to run good. Gutted that air breather. There's a couple of little TPI tricks I could do. I'm not doing them today or tomorrow or this video. We are going to do some exhaust work. I'll get you back when we do that. So, anyway, Redneck Muck, peace.